this cool animal texture pack. It looks quite cool. Oh, what can I do with this? Sad, huh? Make you happy. Yeah. What you know? Are you happy? Yeah, for you. Make you happy. Happy in me. Make you happy. I don't want happy. Oh, I want to love me. Cool. Rip it. And close. Where are the pets? Is this my pet shop? I don't know. Do I belong here? Do I make the pets? I think I do. But then I want to adopt the pets. Yeah, let's make this pet shop amazing. But let's try. Where's the animals? Okay, I guess I have to find animals. I'm sure I found some animals out here. I'm sure. Why don't you love me? I know, I'll try to get this cow to love me. Stay there, cow. Stay. No. Love me. Love me more. Love me. Why won't you love me? Love me. Love me. Love me. Yeah, it's mine. It's happy. It's mine. Okay, I'm going to get off you now. I'm going to open this door. Oh, nothing's in here. What about in here? Oh, that's where the cow should be. Cow, get in here. Come on. Don't when you. I don't. No, I can't fit. Oh no. I can't get it in. Maybe if I break store for 1 second. Because none of the animals are really small. Maybe if I do this, maybe it will work. Okay. Maybe I have to go to a fence bit where it's covered in fences. Is that a frog? Are you sad and blue? Can this frog be mine? No! Is that a frog? Where's the frog? How far did that frog bounce? This frog's mine. Frog's mine. Come here. Where's that frog? It bounced far. I know that. I know that's not my frog. I know my frog was sad. No, I lost that frog. That is not my frog. Okay. Yeah, I'm riding a frog. How silly. Or should I say stupid? Yeah, it's really stupid. Oh, a goat. Well, I can get off it now. Maybe the frog stays in here. How can I jump over this? Jump. Okay, I guess I can't. I'll call you the frog. I'm going to call you Peep. Yeah, Peep. That's your name. Because you were just peeping. Yeah. So, Peep. Brilliant. Really think that's a good name. The rector is really on top of that. Yay, I can get off you now. Bye. I'm gonna stay. Cow. Where's my cow gone? My cow disappeared. Oh, good. Sorry. I need to get out. Yeah. Need to find some more animals. Forest or goats. Yes, let's go to fix that. I think the goats disappeared. No, it's in there. Push it in there. I need to push it in there. Push. I'm going to break that. I'm going to break that just for me. So I can get to the goat. Did it go? Why did it fly away when I tried to load them? Does that mean they don't love me? I think it does. So that means I don't want you to love them because you know you'll love them. Come to me now. Come. Come. No! Go. Come again. Yes. Come. Where are you? Home. I'm going to keep you down here. Because actually, I'm going to... Because I know you... Oh no, please.